Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. I decided to update my color since I did a detox on my locks. It removed all my semi-permanent color. So here I am sectioning out the front section, which is going to be my skunk stripe, I guess you would call it. It's going to be the lightest part of my hair. And now I'm just going to separate my midsection. Now that everything is separated, I'm going to start in the back, and I'm going to start with my first color, which is Adore Paprika. I'm just going to go ahead and saturate all of my locks in the back here with this color. I switch back and forth between this one by Adore, and there's also another one by Kistation, I think that's how you pronounce it, which is Paprika also. So if I can't find one, I use the other, but they're pretty much the same color. Once I saturate everything, I do take a shower cap and I'm just going to cover this section of my hair, because if you are working with multiple colors, you don't want the colors to blend. That would defeat the purpose of you doing this. So I like to just use a shower cap to cap off each section. And to hold it in place, I just use 2 hair clips to clip off this section. Now I'm going to move on to the midsection, and for this color I'm going to be using Adore Cinnamon. I lost a bit of the footage when I was applying this, so I'm at the end of the application, but you pretty much get the point. I just add the cinnamon color onto my midsection. And this color is much darker than the previous color I had on here. I believe the previous color I had was Adore Ginger. Just going to section this part off and add another shower cap to cap it off from the rest of my locks. Now I'm moving on to my last color, which is Adore Ginger, which is the lightest color, and I'm just going to add it to my front section here. Once that's done, I do leave this on for about, I want to say 30 minutes, and then I do shampoo and condition my locks. And here is the final look, and it's a bit darker, but I still feel like it gives that fall ginger vibe that I had before, just on a darker tone. I absolutely love this color, and I'm not sure when I'm going to give up the 3-tone, but I'm enjoying it for the time being. I hope you all enjoy this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.